Sawadee Krap, my Thai culture vultures and couture. We're eating and drinking in this vid. Put on your stretchy pants. Sawadee Pern Chao Thai, Yindi Turai Ru Chak Krap. This is the Haven in Khao Lak. The pool here is fantastic, that's why I'm showing it. I'm on a luxury escapes deal which includes daily brekkie, daily lunch or dinner and daily 1 hour of cocktails. Pretty much a recipe for disaster. If you have any questions on the Haven and food and drink, please leave a comment. Or if you just want to say hi, you can do that too. Okay, mi krai tud Thai chen noi day mai krap. It would be logical to start with brekkie. Brekkie is up in the Sundial restaurant, which is on the same level as the lobby. Quiet at the moment, but it's a hive of marauding tourists at brekkie time. Have you seen migrating wildebeest? Well, it looks like that. The brekkie buffet in a nutshell. Egg station, another cooking station, half a dozen or so hot meals, salads and cold meats, bakery and cereals, yogurt and fruit. I reckon there is more than enough to choose from, and that's the case even when they have some pretty weird stuff. They had a cheese and spinach combo one day that didn't look very appetising. All the egg dishes are cooked fresh. The Eggs Benedict is pretty fancy. Scrambled eggs and omelettes were all tasty. I got a French toast and eggs combo going on most mornings. Made me feel pretty sophisticated, let me tell you. Sophisticated like 4-ply toilet paper and wine in a can. If you like your eggs with sausages, bacon, beans, hash browns, swoop in when they're available. The beans and hash browns aren't available every day. The hot meals and bakery items change daily. For example, we had different types of curries and fried noodles during our stay. The non-egg cooking station also changes each day. One day noodles, another day roti, then another type of noodle soup, crepes, toasted sandwiches. It was pretty much a magical mystery tour of a cooking station. Here's my ham and egg crepe being cooked up. This may have been plate 4 for the morning. Another noodle soup from the live cooking station. All the soups were very tasty. Freshly made coffees are included in the brekkie, but in this hot weather, the iced coffee was perfect. After massacring the brekkie buffet, the only sensible thing to do is laze by and in the pool. Wildebeest Tongkan Patpong Ma Krap. After sufficient pool lazing, it's probably time for a liquid lunch of cocktails. Cocktails are served at the Vongoli restaurant or pool bar. With the Luxury Escapes deal, there are about 20 cocktails to choose from, plus juices, soft drinks and beers. The cocktails include the Pina Colada, Mai Tai, Long Island iced tea. Those things are dangerous. Mojito, Blue Hawaii, Sex on the Beach, the list goes on and on. The Screwdriver and Sex on the Beach. The Kamikaze and American Champagne. The Mai Tai and the Screwdriver. You can also have a Caipirinha, Whiskey Sour, Black Russian or Bahama Mama. After the rigours of the brekkie buffet and then lazing by the pool, it's amazing how many cocktails you require in 1 hour. But it's not all about cocktails. How about a snack? Club sandwich is on the Luxury Escapes menu. Buffalo wings with blue cheese sauce is on the Luxury Escapes menu. I was skeptical of the blue cheese sauce, but there was definitely blue cheese in there. Major blue cheese sophistication. Geez, mate, you might want to breathe between bites. After the tasty cocktails, it was usually back to the pool for more lazing. I'm pretty sure everyone had the same idea. So many resting wildebeests. When you're hungry again, it's back to the Vongoli restaurant for lunch and dinners. You get to choose 2 courses, and like the cocktails, the Luxury Escapes menu is a smaller version of the main menu. There's a wide range of things to choose from, but by the end of the week its smaller selection is more noticeable. There were the usual Thai classics to shovel in. Tom Yum Goong, Tom Kha Gai, spicy beef salad, pad thai, pad siu, red curry, green curry, massaman curry, pad krapao. The pad krapao was dumbed down compared to how it's served at a Thai food market, but the soups and curries were nice. A lot of the dishes you can nominate a spiciness level, from gentle tingle to I'm gonna need another asshole. Needless to say, my hemorrhoids are majorly pissed off at me. I had a soup, Tom Jewett Gai, for the first time. I thought it was great. And same with the spicy noodle and seafood salad. Very yum. There are salads and Western food to choose from too. Burgers, sandwiches, pastas and pizzas, and even more from the main menu. I didn't hear any glowing comments about the pastas and pizzas. Ma tai tamai gin pizza ba bai lao krap. It's hard to get a burger and chips wrong, so go the burger over a pizza. A couple of nights a week they also have special menus on offer, including a barbecue seafood night and steak night. You might have to wait for a table on these nights, or you can get your meals as takeaway and eat in your room. And that is a glimpse at the Haven's food and drink. It was a very relaxing holiday. I saw plenty of very relaxed wildebeests. As usual, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe, wear a helmet!